All right, I am going to package these shoes using plastic wrap, of course, and then tissue paper and priority mail shoebox. All right, first things first was to make sure these shoes are cleaned. Make sure there's like no lint on them or anything. Then, next thing is to wrap them up like this. So, make sure they are pretty much waterproof. All right, next is to wrap the shoes in tissue paper like so. Like this, you wrap the shoes up. So I have wrapped the shoes up in tissue paper, and now I am going to add a thank you note. And I am going to use USPS priority. This box is specifically to mail shoes in. So shout out to USPS.